So what are the top 3 mistakes that people make when they're trying to adopt a ketogenic diet? Well, for starters, people have a tendency to way overconsume the protein, which can actually keep you stuck burning sugar and even lead to other health compromises down the road. Secondly, people have a tendency to way overdo the fat, and in fact may be overdoing the kinds of fats that can not only slow your adaptation to ketosis, but can even add to inflammation that can literally derail your ketogenic efforts altogether. Finally, people way overly rely on powders, potions, and expensive and unnecessary supplements that are being marketed to them, instead of learning how to effectively generate and utilize their own ketones from their own body fat. That's just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to all the myths and misconceptions that are out there right now when it comes to all the things that can get in the way of your ability to adopt an effective and health-optimizing ketogenic state. Hi, I'm Nora Gedgaudas, and I am the author of Primal Body, Primal Mind, as well as Primal Fat Burner. And I've literally helped thousands of people from all over the world successfully transition to an effective, healthy, and optimized ketogenic diet. I have an event coming up that is an unprecedented live 5-day workshop at the Omega Institute in upstate New York, where I will be taking you through step by step everything that it takes to safely and healthfully adopt a healthy and optimized ketogenic state. Now, space is limited, so I hope that you'll go to the Omega website, and that you'll sign up for the workshop, and I really look forward to seeing you there.